Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to be talking to you about for loops. So for loops can be used in code to iterate through a program, certain part of code, and it keeps on doing it until it fulfills a condition. In some cases, there is no condition, so it goes on forever, but that is not what we want because it will be very inefficient and the user will end up having to terminate the program. So let's start by creating a for loop. So we start a for loop with obviously saying for and then in brackets where we want it to start. So in this case, we're going to be iterating through indexes. As you know, indexes, like an array, start from 0. So int I equals 0. And then we're going to give it a condition. So that I will continue to iterate until it reaches, let's say, 20. So until it reaches 20, but it will only print 19. Okay, and then I plus plus. That basically means instantiating. So each time the for loop is completed, one loop is completed, it adds on 1 to the index until it reaches 19, because that's the condition up to 20, because it's just an integer. So that'll work. We'll go here, parentheses, system.out.print, and then number, we can just put here, plus I, and then we'll put a semicolon here. Now what will actually be printed is number. It'll be 0, because as you know it starts from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 19, and then it will stop. So let's just test out our program. So yeah, there we go. Started from 0 all the way up to 19. You can also use, in the next lecture for arrays, we'll be using this to print out arrays because it can be used instead of printing out each array individually. You just write this little piece of code, very similar, and it prints out all the list in the array. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the Q&A. I'm aware Udemy have made some changes, especially with regards to Q&A comments not being available on free courses. So it depends when you signed up to this course. But if you do have any problems, just send me a message. I'm always happy to help. Thanks.